I think that's Jeff's already there. You don't need to hand those because those are already in place. Oh!
Holy macadamia nuts! Jeff, did you get him that?
To me.
Oh, can I do this? Yeah.
Yes, it is.
You found that at the dollar store.
I don't think so.
Where did you?
This one goes through here. Right, and then you hold on. Hang on. And you hold on with this hand. Hold on here. Okay, and then you hold on with this sword. Master the Guardian. Okay.